Listening to noises and sounds in the environment. We hear a siren and Lily decides it's an ambulance. It was a very windy day. I love how she continues to listen after the siren has passed and comments on hearing the wind outside. Look. What was that?
Ambulance!
Ambulance! Uh-oh.
Is it ambulance?
They're going to go and help people, aren't they? What can you hear? The ambulance has gone. But I can hear the cars outside on the road. Can you hear the cars? Listen.
It's windy. It's windy in your ears.
It is windy, yeah, it is windy, and it's windy in your ears, but I think I can hear the cars as well. Listen to the road.
It's going to see the cars.
You want to see the cars? You've got some cars in there.